Kutiwa bunanzi, ejuni, bunanzi nani, ejuni, bunanzi zona, ejuni, bunanzi zona.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Bliga, and welcome to the vlog. If you're new to this channel, new to this platform of mine, please consider to subscribe and share this video, and click that notification bell below so that you can get my notification whenever I upload a new video. And if you're a 10th subscriber, thank you so much for staying on with the content and then enjoying this kind of content that I'm providing to you. But yeah, guys, on today's video, I want to show you a part 2 of the roof slab completion. So yeah, we'll be showing you guys the completion of the roof slab and then what was outstanding from the previous video. As you saw on the previous video, I did show you how they did the roof slab as the house is part of the as the side of the house is part of the roof slab, or maybe they're doing the roof slab. It's not fully gonna be roofed with a tile and the timber. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and then yeah, I hope you're enjoying it. So yeah, guys, on this part of the video, as you can see, the guys have already installed the mesh wire, and also the guys for the wiring. They came and then installed the electric pipes, and also these boxes. I forgot what this box is called, but yeah, it's used whenever you're building a slab, especially when you're doing the slab, not the foundation slab, but however the sort of this kind of slab. So yeah, as you can see, the guys have already started with the concrete as well. They did pour the concrete within the slab, just to make it obviously the slab needs the concrete. So after maybe the process, you can just explain the process. So the process, you put the shutter board. After the shutter board, you put the mesh wire, and then if you want to include the electric pipes, you can include it before you put in the concrete. So this is how it's being done, as you can see on it. So on this section, I just want to show you how it looks under the shutter board. So obviously it's the shutter board first, and then they balance it with the timber, like this pole, just to balance the shutter board, so that whenever they pour the concrete on top of it, it holds still and it doesn't drop or doesn't fall off. So this is how it looks, and this is the staircase part section. And then move on to the balcony. This is how they did it. So you put the shutter board, and then after the shutter board, you install these round poles just to balance it and make it strong. So whenever they pour the concrete on top of the slab, it doesn't, on top of the shutter board, it doesn't fall off, just to make it strong, because the concrete is a bit heavy. It's a bit heavy. Especially if it's a long dimension like this, it's gonna be a bit heavy. So that's why they need these poles to balance the shutter board when they prepare the slab. And obviously after that, they can just quickly remove these round poles, and then after removing the round poles, then they remove the shutter board, and then after removing the shutter board, and then you see the slab. And then because it usually takes about 30 days. That's what they said. They said it takes about 30 days for the slab to be dry. So they're gonna remove this slab, or maybe the shutter board and the poles, after 30 days, and then the what is it called? The roof slab will be hardened, or will be strong, or will be dry, and will be. But what I noticed about the following day, maybe 2 days after, you can walk on top of that slab, because it's already dry, a bit of it, but it's not completely dry. However, it's mostly dry on top of it. And then and especially when it gets rain, if you just pour the concrete on top of it and the following day it rains, or maybe you can just put water, it's going to be more stronger. It's sort of an enforcement, or sort of, but this is how it is, looking at it from the ground, or maybe from the first floor. And then this is how you see how they did the shutter board. It's for me, it looks like there's there's too much of work which is being done, especially when the shuffleboard. It's not the same one as we did on the first floor, because on the first floor we only did the ribs and block. But from my understanding, or from the way they explain it, they say this is how this is the shuttlerboard and the ribs and blocks. The shuttlerboard is the strong one because it's only concrete. You don't put those bricks and stuff like that. So yeah, it's just only concrete, and then and obviously the mesh wire, and then just forgot the size of they did mention it to me, the size of the concrete, the length, not the length, the width of the concrete, and how big is it. But yeah, it's quite big, it's quite strong. So yeah, this is how it looks like from the first floor, and this is how they did it. And then yeah, I'm just gonna move on to the bedroom, or the main bedroom, because also the main bedroom, the balcony of the main bedroom, it's roofed with the slab as well. So it doesn't have the roof tiles such as the roof tile and the timber, so just using slab. And then obviously the water, when it comes from the roof tile, is gonna pour into the slab and then going down with the pipe. However, this is how it looks like now. This is how it looks like when you're looking at it from the first floor, looking up the roof. Yeah, so this is the balcony of the main bedroom. So it's an L-shaped balcony where you can see your east and west. East and west, I'm not sure, but yeah, this is how it looks like. Now I want to show you guys how it looks from the top. So I'm just gonna climb on these temporary stairs which they made for them when they used to use to climb here. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you, this is how it looks from the top. This is the balcony for the sitting area, and then this is the balcony, the L-shaped balcony for the main bedroom. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, it's quite alright, but I believe I see a bit of cracks there, but yeah, this is how it looks. I think maybe the cracks will be covered with the when they do the plastering, and obviously they will need to install some pipes just to guide the water where it must fall off, and also they need to add the waterproof on top of here. So there's still a bit of work here. Yeah, there's still a bit of work to do, especially to make this complete. Yeah, and then this is the view from the top. As you can see, there's not too much of roofing that needs to be done here, but however, yeah, this is the view from the top. This is how this is how you look at it. Yeah, it's a nice view, it's nice and stuff like that, so I kind of like it. Yeah, so in this part of the video, I just wanted to show you how it looks like from the ground floor, and just to show you the upper level or how it's sitting. So yeah, this is how it looks like. You can see the poles, the shutterboard, and also how they did the corners and stuff like that. However, I'll still show you guys the plan for this. I just need to make another video for show you guys the plan for this house. Maybe I might show you the 3D plan of this house, but I'm just making another video for that, so stay tuned for that. And then yeah, this is how it looks from the ground, and then looking up. So while they were busy doing the concrete and obviously the roof slab, so I asked them to assist, maybe just in the meantime they just must somewhere do the garage ramps. So as you can see here, they did the front ramp and also the back ramp of the house. So they also assisted with that, and also the staircase of this house. So the house doesn't have a lot of staircase. They only did the kitchen part of it, or the back side of the house section of it, and yeah, that was the only part they did. And then obviously the back ramp, the back of the house, the ramp of the garage, and the front garage ramp. That's what they did. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, we have reached the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please consider to subscribe to stay tuned with whatever that I upload within my channel. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you the next time I upload a new video. But yeah, guys, I promise there's new content coming up, especially for the building of the village house content. Yeah, but there's a new content coming up. Stay tuned, and then please click on that notification bell below, and then you can just get notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. Thank you so much.